I knew officers do, that's why Hero Electro. 25 kilometers full range at 25 kilometers per hour speed.
Introducing Hero Electro. Move at your will.
Tomorrow looks electric, and e-cycles are leading the way. Powered by a lithium-ion battery and an electric drive unit, you get modes that help you ride at your will. And no e-cycle does it better than the all-new Hero Electro. We are designed for the modern commuter, mover, changer, thrill seeker, chillaxer, tuitioner, college goer, officer, and all kinds of riders. We are designed to go from point A to B, to C to D, and maybe back to A again. All with modes that suit your style. There's pedal, the sweat it out mode, designed for the joy of cycling. Pedelec, the ride it out mode, making the daily commute a lot easier. Or you can go for the cruise mode, for those who like to savor the view. And if you love speed, go the throttle mode. One charge and you will go farther than before with just your wrists. And there's more, so much more. Oh, and did we forget to mention that it doesn't need to be fueled, ever. So if you're planning on riding into tomorrow, we are the e-cycle that will get you there.